The FDA put a halt to the use of two COVID-19 treatments because experts say they do not work against the Omicron variant.
Monoclonal antibody drugs have been used throughout the pandemic to treat COVID before it becomes severe. 2 News reporter Allison Gens live with us in the studio with the impact removing the treatment may have and what other options are available. Allison.
John Brook, doctors in the Miami Valley say they've stopped using the two monoclonal antibody treatments several weeks ago. But this isn't good timing as other drugs to treat COVID are still in short supply. The FDA revokes emergency authorization of COVID-19 monoclonal antibody drugs from Regeneron and Eli Lilly. The treatments have been administered to millions of Americans with COVID-19.
One of the most powerful tools that we had available to be rapidly able to make changes and prevent people from ending up in the hospital was no longer effective.
Now, with the majority of COVID cases being the Omicron variant, the FDA says the treatments are less able to target Omicron because of its mutations.
So it really altered our capabilities to be able to treat patients.
There is a newer monoclonal antibody treatment, sotrovimab, which is showing to work better against variants.
Even if the virus mutated, that monoclonal antibody should continue to be effective. And in fact, it is effective. The problem is that it's in very short supply.
And as cases and hospitalizations still surge, other drugs used to treat or prevent COVID-19 are also hard to come by. Dr. Weinstein says Kettering Health had to get creative, developing an algorithm for distributing the treatments.
To help determine, what drug would be appropriate for which patients, depending on availability of the product, as well as factors such as, is the patient pregnant? Does the patient have kidney problems? Other things like that.
The FDA says if the monoclonal antibody drugs do prove effective against future variants, it could reauthorize their use. In the studio, Allison Gens, 5 on 2.